Let us see an overview of Power Query using Whizlabs Cloud Sandbox. Go to Cloud Sandbox in the Platform menu. Click on Start Power BI Sandbox. Select your preferred time and click on Create Sandbox Environment. Now go to your browser and search for Microsoft Remote Desktop and download it. If you're using Windows operating system, make sure to download Windows-based application. Once you downloaded the Microsoft Remote Desktop, click and install it to your PC. After your installation process, go back and click on Open Console. An RDP file will be downloaded to your computer, which is Remote Desktop Protocol. Click and open the RDP file, and grant the access to your camera and microphone as it required to use at the remote session. Now copy and paste the username and password to open the remote desktop. Now you have successfully entered into the Microsoft Remote Desktop. So you can see the Power BI in your remote desktop. Click and open it to get started. Type web in the search box. You will see the web data source appear in the All Data Source list. Select Web and click the Connect button. You will see the following dialog box. In the URL field, enter the following URL. You can also find this link in the description. Power BI might take some time to establish a connection with the online data source. Click Load button. This will load the dataset into Power BI. Now you can see all the columns in your dataset along with the column type. You can see that the age column contains some blank values. To remove the blank rows, click on the button containing the inverted triangle at the extreme right of the age column. And then uncheck the blank from the list. Click the OK button, and you will see that the rows where the age column contains blank values have been removed. You can also remove rows based on values in a particular column. To do so, click on the triangle near the age column and then click on the Number Filters property. A drop-down list will pop up. Select Greater Than from the list as shown below. You should see the following window. Add 40 and 10 in the corresponding fields and click OK button. You can also apply filters on the text column. For instance, if you only want to keep the records of the male passengers, uncheck Female checkbox from the filters. Like rows, you can also remove columns that you do not want in your dataset. For instance, the cabin column in the Titanic dataset contains many null values. We can remove it. To do so, click on the cabin column, and on the above you can find the Remove Column option. Click on that, and now your cabin column has been removed. You can split one column into more using a number of different options. You need to select the ticket column and then click Split Column and then click the By Number of Characters option from the top menu. Next, specify the number of characters after which you want to split the values in the original column. You can save your file if you want. Once you are done with the Power BI session, go back and select Destroy Sandbox Environment. Click on the checkbox and type Destroy to end the session.